May I have your resume?
Yes, sir.
If you don't mind, may I put it outside? Thank you. Tahura.
Ahura.
Tahura.
Yes, sir.
Give your brief introduction.
My name is Ahura Amreen. I am just 20 and I am from Radhi Chowki in front of petrol pump. I have done my schooling from Mansoori Education Society English Medium School and currently I am taking job and doing job as a teacher in Al Falah Coaching Institute.
Okay, you are teaching. What subject?
Maths and Science.
Maths and science.
Yes, sir.
To which class student?
A class 8 student and in my home tuition there are 9th class and 10th class students.
So how much do you make?
It depends on the students.
Definitely it depends on the student, but average, how much do you make?
Average in Alpha Institute, I am giving my 1 hours. So I have one to 2,000 payment.
1 to 2,000.
Yes.
Is it monthly?
Yeah.
And you are teaching home as well.
Yes, sir.
How much do you make by that?
How much I make? In home there are 5 students, and for each student I take a 500 charge per month.
Tahura, what are your future plans?
I wanted to become an engineer and also a good human. I want to become a leader.
You want to become a leader.
Yes, sir.
You have recently passed out. 12th.
Yes.
Okay. By your age, you are pretty late.
Yes, sir. Because of some financial reason, my family faces many crises like COVID-19 also spoiled my family shop. So,
What is the reason choosing PCM as a stream?
sir, because I am interested in maths. Because maths is only a subject which is totally based on concept and methods. And most of the students, that's why run away from it. It becomes most popular.
What are your hobbies?
I like to paint. Also, I am able to learn more. I'm always try to learn new things.
Okay. What recently have you learned new?
New computer skills.
Computer skills.
Yes, sir.
Like what computer skills?
Sorry, sir.
What computer skills have you learned?
So at the time currently I am trying to learn basic computer and it's just finally it's last 1 week also now.
Basic computer you have
Basic
started.
computers.
You want to do BTech in which stream?
In which stream? Artificial intelligence.
AI
Yeah.
is the part of CS as well. Na?
Yes, sir.
What do you know about AI?
AI is a computerized system which helps us computer skills. It is a software which helps a human to give the data and information. It is the easiest way.
So how much do you want to make by that? What salary do you expect?
So now I am not expecting anything because I am not doing graduation.
You are not doing graduation.
No.
Not this year.
Currently, yeah, sir.
You want to do
Yes, sir.
BTech. So when will you start?
Currently, I have taken job and I am preparing for competition.
Okay, you are preparing for competition. Which competitive exam?
JEE examination.
JEE. So you have given.
Yeah, one time. But I have not make a sufficient percentile.
Okay. So you're having quite good percentage in 12th as well. Why don't you apply for a good job where you will get a higher salary? You can do both BTech as well.
Yes, sir.
You have not thought about that?
Sir, I have thought, but I'm trying, but I am preparing for JEE. Also, I am also finding some jobs just as teaching.
Okay, in a field of teaching, you are finding jobs. That's okay. You can do better at home as well.
Yes.
You can get strength. That's it. You can go now.
Thank you, sir.
Please tell me about yourself.
My name is Pooja Kumari. I'm just 18. I'm doing BBA just now, and I like playing badminton.
From which college?
Uh, GS College.
So, what are your subjects?
My subjects are finance, statistic management, business management, and other EVS, Hindi, yoga. That's all.
Tell me about your strengths and weaknesses.
My strength is I like working with group communication skills, and my weakness is I'm nervous on public speaking. So I'm working on it. So that I joined addition in this Spoken Institute. So they level up my communication skill.
You said that you like to work in a team. So, have you ever worked in a team?
Uh, no, ma'am.
What is your technical skills?
My technical skills, I have done my online digital marketing course, and 1 or 2 months of internship in online business.
Online business.
Yeah.
What is your favorite subject in college?
My favorite subject in college, statistic management.
And what you have learned from them?
In statistic management,
Yes.
how to arrange data, analyze them, and how to analyze business profit and loss.
Uh, what's your favorite place in Jabalpur?
Um, I'm not from Jabalpur.
Where are you from?
My father in army, so I am changing my place after 3 years. So I don't know about Jabalpur.
Basically, where are you from?
Basically,
Your hometown?
I'm in from Riva.
Riva.
Yes, ma'am.
And from which school have you done 12th and 10th?
My 10th, I have done my 10th in Mumbai KV school, and 12th KV BFG.
KVBFJ,
Yes.
Jabalpur.
Yes, sir.
Who is your role model and why?
Role model, my parents,
Okay.
because I'm seeing my parents. My English is not that good. Can I speak in Hindi?
Just try a little bit in English.
I'm seeing my parents. They have lot of sacrifices for our studies. So I seeing my parents. They came from uh, rural area,
Okay.
and I learned from my father how my father from rural area to now here where my dad is here. Uh, I get lot of inspired from my dad how my father, basically my grandfather is a farmer So my father doing a lot of studies where today he is now.
What about your future goal?
I want to be an entrepreneur. Because I have interest in businesses. Yeah.
Okay. And what one quality you have learned from your father till now?
Try harder and harder. Never give up.
How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
I one little sister and one young elder brother.
Oh yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
So, Mr. Aditya Patel, give a brief introduction about yourself.
My name is Aditya. I had completed my schooling from Government Model High Secondary School of Excellence. Then I completed my graduation from Government Science College. Currently, I am looking for a job uh, where I can use my knowledge and skills. So yeah, that's all about it.
What are your hobbies?
I like listening music and playing badminton also.
Okay, listening music. So, what is your favorite song?
PDA,
Hirie, sung by
Arijit Singh.
Arjit Singh. So, Arjit Singh is your favorite singer as well.
Yes.
Okay. Where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
I'll see myself after 5 years at better position where I can grow up and I had succeed where I had succeed sorry I
No
had
problem.
succeed
Take time. Succeed.
and I had overcome my all demerits and be a good human.
Okay. Being a good human being, that's very important. What do you expect from society?
I accept for society that every everyone everyone help each other and everyone help each other and see and understand each other's problem and help each other.
Okay. So, have you helped anyone?
Yes.
How?
In school, I help my friends. In college, I help my friends also. In home, I teach so many students uh, science, maths, and all subjects.
What do you think about politics in India?
Nowadays, politics become so many politicians will play the game of religion like Hinduism, Muslimism, and yes, Christianism. We need a politician like we really need a politician like who sorry, who teaches a good direction, not for religion and in the path of success also.
So, what's your goal?
I want to be successful. Earlier, I want to be a doctor after some years, but now I had changed my dream. There are so many reasons for this. So now I want to be a successful. I work on my abilities, skills, and my communication skills like here. So now I have so clear cut goal. So now, but I work on it, and after 5 years, I will be become successful.
Definitely, you will become successful, but you did not say your field. In what field would you like to go?
Earlier, I like medical field,
Yes,
but now I don't choose. I search how which field should I choose.
yes. You are searching for that. You have completed your bachelor's and you are doing job in Vishal Mega Mall. You have written here retail holder
Yes.
in Vishal Mega Mall. Acha, you have experience of that. Currently, you are not doing anything. What are your future plans then? You are going for MA, sorry, any professional degree or any PG.
No, I don't want to. I want to do PG. I have completed my graduation.
Okay.
I study for competitive exams. There's not that much 8 hours and 10 hours. Maybe it's little bit, but I work on my skills. Like where I use I learn skills to many things. Then I choose how can I tackle problems or what should I do.
Okay, you have said about your hobbies like listening music and
Play badminton.
playing badminton. But in your CV, you have written reading and writing. That's totally opposite of that.
That's also my hobby.
You that is also your hobbies. Okay, ठीक है. So, what is your favorite book?
Atomic habit.
Atomic.
Or Rich Dad Poor Dad.
Okay, so what have you learned by that book?
Rich Dad Poor Dad. I learned from it. There are a father and a child, and the child had a friend, Michael. Michael's father is a businessman, and and with the help of his friend's father, he learned how can earn money, how what how can manage money.
Okay.
Like in this book, I read that choose another passion is not like that. You do not do. You will not do anything.
Okay. Thank you, Aditya Unicorn.
Tell me about yourself.
I am Mohammad Danish Mansoori. I am from Ankera. I have done BSc in Fire Tech. I have done BSc in Fire Tech. I am doing study now. I am doing study now. I like playing. I like cycling, cooking, and listening music and watching movies.
What about your college and schools?
Currently, you are studying.
Yes.
Uh,
From which
What?
college and what course?
Sir, my college is completed. My graduation is completed, sir. I am preparing for data analyst jobs, sir.
What is your strengths and weaknesses?
Sir, my strength is honestly, my strength is honestly hardworking, and weaknesses I don't know, sir. I don't have weaknesses.
you don't have any weakness.
Have you done some technical skills or any other skills in whatever field have you interested?
Yes, sir. In my college, sir, Some field work, sir, and done, sir.
What type of field work?
Sir, just like, sir, I use fire extinguisher, sir.
Skills. I said skills.
You mentioned that you have a MS Word skill, MS Excel,
MS
you know,
Yes.
MS PowerPoint,
And
typing.
Yes.
So, give me
You are beginner in these skills or
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Beginner.
Beginner.
Yes, ma'am.
what are the uses of MS Excel?
Sir, MS Excel use of just like, sir, create a table, sir.
Read the table.
Create a table, sir, and sir, lots type of uses, sir. Many types of uses, sir.
Any type, please give me some brief.
Sir, just like, sir, some companies, sir, send me to data to fill the MS Excel, create a table. So I use to MS Excel, sir.
And what are the shortcuts of MS Excel to arrange the data?
Sir, shortcut key,
Shortcut keys.
sir. Shortcut key, sir, Control C for copy. Control C for
To
copy.
arrange the data
To arrange the data.
within a minute.
Within a
You got multiple data, huh?
Yes, sir.
1,000, 2,000 tables.
Yes, sir.
So what are the secret keys to arrange the data from alphabetical orders
Vertical orders.
within a minute?
Sir, sir, use formula, sir, count F.
What?
Sir, count.
Count.
Sir, it is a sir formula of MS Excel to count the many people, sir. जैसे I don't know, sir, okay, how many people are in table. So, sir, I use count formula, sir.
Count for. What about your future goal?
Sir, sir, I need, sir, data analyst.
Data analysis.
Sir.
You mentioned that you like cooking, so you cook or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And which type of music you like?
दोनों मैम मतलब इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी में
Both type.
What are your hobbies?
सर साइकिलिंग म्यूजिक लिसनिंग म्यूजिक वाचिंग मूवीज एंड कुकीज एंड कुकिंग
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
यहाँ पे Miss Avika,
Yes, sir.
tell me something about yourself.
Okay, so my name is Avika Gangpade, a 17-year-old student in class 12A at PM Shri KVBFJ school. I live in Jabalpur. It is a vibrant city which is known for its rich culture, heritage, and natural beauty. In my loving family of 6, including my sibling, I'm the eldest. I want to become a journalist.
You want to become journalist.
Yes, sir.
You are in class 12th.
Yes, I am in class 12 currently.
You have chosen your subject as PCB.
Physics, chemistry, biology.
Why?
And biology is my primary subject.
So biology is your plan B.
No. It's not my plan B. Actually, I opted for biology because
My initial interest was lies and arts. As I already told you, I want to become a journalist. But because of my parents, they encourage me because they think that you have to take something technical that can enhance your reasoning abilities and your logical thinking. And they concern that in India, arts is viewed as a very less prominent subject and it's not evolved much, but it's their thinking. And even my family pressure, you can say, they all think that it's a kind of backward subject, and the students who didn't gain marks much, so they have given that subject. So that's why it's not like that I don't enjoy biology. Obviously, I'm studying it from one last year. So I really enjoy it learning even physics and chemistry. But chemistry is a still bit challenging for me, but I'm trying it well as it's my board class, so I want to maintain all the subject marks equal because it affects my percentage. And as I want to pursue mass and communication from my next year, as I want to become a journalist. So I want myself to explore more about this and make my career out of it.
You mentioned technical in your quotation. Technical.
Yeah, biology is not technical, but physics is there, so it can be.
That can be. But how can you choose technical subject after 12th?
Yeah, we can choose something like AI. AI is introduced new, and engineering. There are many fields in engineering, civil, computer science, or many. I don't know much about this field as I didn't prepare to go. But for biology, there is only NEET, you can say, because NEET is the first exam. Then you have to specialize in other posts, like if you want to become a surgeon or therapist or anything like related to that field. But in my field, as I want to become a journalist, so in my next year, I will going to pursue with mass and communication, bachelor's of it, and then I will post graduate from it. And it is also important to do internship with it because in this field you have to be practical. It's not like that you study and that's all, because you have to meet so many people, even politicians, and you have to take interviews when you will going to report. So that's why internship is very essential in this field, so you can gain experience, because experience is the most important thing they ask when they interview us.
Okay. Still, there is a little correction in your knowledge.
Yeah.
You cannot go to technical without having maths in your 12th.
But I'm not going in technical.
You said, but you want to go in technical like engineering.
When I said, I really didn't say. I already told you I want to become a journalist.
Definitely
in
you
that
want to
field, in
become a
that field,
journalist.
we have to take arts, and it's not technical. But I opted technical. Like biology is not technical, but yeah, I opted biology.
Yeah, definitely that is your plan B.
No, it's not my plan B.
If you want to pursue or that becomes your dream, so definitely you said technical as your core subject. You
But
choose.
yeah, it's not my core subject because to go in that field you have to opt humanities. But as I already told you, because of my parents, I opted biology.
Okay, you opted biology just because of your parents.
And they already told me that you can opt anything after your school, because after school there are so many fields open for you. So that's why.
Definitely, there are so many fields. So, from where are you planning to do your mass communication and journalism?
Currently, I am decided to go like BHU, and also in Indore there is a college, Makhan Lal Chaturvedi, something like that. I don't remember the name clearly, but it is very well famous, known college for this subject. And also in Jabalpur, Rani Durgavati College, it also has this major. So I don't know if I'm going to pursue from here Jabalpur because my parents want me to do from somewhere else, like where the industries of it are there, like Delhi or Mumbai, where I will be able to be more enhance my knowledge.
Okay. What is the currently running issue in India?
And currently, I just saw in news channels that the rape case one of Kolkata, and also there is issue. The thing that is known is Narendra Modi had grasped some of the I don't know what to say udyog in English. Five udyogs
Industries.
he introduced. Yeah, industries he introduced. So the second one is this, and the third, the current issue, not issue, but I saw yesterday in news that the 165 people are living together in a family in Ajmer, and they are living up in a family. There are 165 members, and they are living together, love, support, and care. So that's all I knew.
Do you read newspaper?
Yeah, sometimes only Sunday newspaper.
Why? Sometimes.
It's because of my studies. Like my teacher also told me that you have to learn or read only Sunday newspaper in English because, like the Hindu, because of my studies and all, I'm not able to
Okay.
cover up the time.
It doesn't take so much time. Just 15 minutes, a glimpse you can take. Reading newspaper is a must for going in a mass journalism. That helps you enhancing your knowledge, basic knowledge. What is going in the city? You can get knowledge of that. Currently, we are having so many news applications. Do you read any news by the application?
Okay,
Application. Oh, sorry. Do you use mobile?
not much.
Not much. What do you use in mobile?
WhatsApp, Google. That's all.
Google. Google in what way?
To search some questions or PDF.
Acha. And study material type.
Yeah, study materials.
That's okay, but you're having a strong motive,
To become a journalist.
definitely. But you are currently not doing sufficient things for doing that. Reading newspaper is a must. Start reading newspaper. As you told about the Hindu, that's okay, but start reading it. The editorial page is a must for being a journalist, and definitely you're very good in asking questions. I think so.
Yeah.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are singing and to speak like a orator, drawing, and also reading books. Yeah, that's all. Drawing also. Yeah.
Okay, so what book have you recently read?
Recently, I have read uh, by Napoleon Hill's Think, Grow, and Rich, in which he told about the 12 principles of the life, how to think better so you can make your life very easy to live and live life very comfortably. And the principles in he told us about many things that can enhance your living styles, and also it tells us about what is important for us to achieve a better life.
Okay, so who's your favorite, mummy or papa?
They both are my favorite.
Most favorite. If you have to choose one, whom will you choose?
No, actually, my most favorite person is me.
Is you. How?
It's because I knew that I want to become a self-sufficient person. My mom and dad, they are just currently providing me with a comfortable life, and they are protecting me and securing me. But when I will step out in the real world, when I will search jobs and building career of mine, I think there will be no one. I want to be responsible for myself. That's why I think I am the most favorite person of myself.
Definitely you are, but if you have your mother and father backing you, so you get a strength.
Yeah, they are already backing me. They are providing me with a very comfortable life. I'm living with them. They are very supportive and very inspiring. So, but in real world, I want to tackle all the challenges. They will not, like, they are not much educated. Like in that field, they don't know anything. They don't have any connection as well, because in that field you have to be responsible and you have to be so confident that people will not will be back see you as a very low or something like that.
So you are taking your mother father as an asset.
No, not an asset, but yeah, we can say that they also think that my daughter will grow and do something for me. They also have like this dream because they didn't uh, uh, fulfill their dream, and they also think that we will do for them. So that's why I also think that when I will, then they will grow old, I will be responsible for them.
You will be responsible. Definitely. Uh, as they are backing you, so definitely you will have also have to back them. So
Obviously.
what are your plans for them?
So they always told me about they have to do the pilgrims and all, but because of my study now, they are not able to do it. So I think when I will be I have job and all, I am set. So then I think I will be able to make them do their pilgrims, and whenever they have to go, they can live. And even when I will be set, I will be having my own family. Then they can live with us also and their own house currently. And also in Indore, we have so many relatives there, so they can live there, and also they can enjoy their life as they want. We just want to provide them with the money and all, and also we can go on trips with together. But as my job is not that much be free, because we need to cover all the things that are going on, and we will be called anytime, even in morning or night. So I don't think I'm able to give them more time, even my own family when I will be get married. But yeah, I think I will try to do my best.
So who's your idol?
There are so many teachers, so I don't think I have any one role model. Like whenever we see teachers, they are good in everything. They are talented, even in their subjects. And when they speak, I think that I want to be like them. Like whatever the good habits they have, I want to grasp all that. So I want to be something that have good qualities like them, and want to learn from their experiences. The teachers always told us about their past experiences, their struggle. So I want myself to prepare mentally and emotionally and gain experiences from my teachers.
Any favorite, famous personality in journalism you know?
Yeah, Sunil Chaudhary.
Sunil Chaudhary walks
He is
in
in G News,
Genius.
ZTV,
Genius. Okay.
ZTV.
And any famous personality from Jabalpur?
Yeah, Anjana Kashyap is from Jabalpur, so obviously I like her. and I'm really highly motivated with them also.
So, after being in journalist, where do you want to work? In the field or in the office?
Actually, I want to become an anchor. So first of all, I want to do teamwork. Then I will be able to get posted there.
In your list, you did not mention DU,
Do you?
Delhi University.
Yeah. Why I want to mention?
You said you want to go for journalism from BHU or Indore or Jabalpur as well, but you did not mention DU or JNU. Why?
Yeah,
They are the best universities.
I did mention Delhi, but not university. I added on it.
Okay.
But yeah, I already told you I want to go Delhi or Mumbai for college because there are industries of that. So that's why I want to go there because there I will be able to gain more experiences than here because there are not much work from here. That's why. Because all the official works are done there.
Do you do any experiments this time in journalism?
Experiments, yeah, sometimes when I watch TV, I
Like interviewing your father, your mother, anyone?
not. I didn't did earlier, but I will as you told me, so I will definitely do.
Okay, Avika, thank you. You may go now. I will keep it.
Tell me something about yourself.
I am Anam Ansari. I am just 16.
Speak loudly.
I am Anam Ansari. I am just 16 years. I am from New Anandnagar. I have done class 10. I am in 11th. I am doing study now. I want to join civil services. My hobby is playing badminton and reading books.
What about your schooling and colleges?
Uh, Recently, I am in Pandit Lajja Shankar Jha Model School, Government School of Excellence, and I passed my 10th class from Bethel Mission Higher Secondary School, New Ramnagar, Dharwad.
Currently you are in 11th class. Which stream?
Commerce stream.
Commerce. Plain commerce.
Yes, ma'am. In commerce.
What about your future goal?
I want to join civil services.
Civil services.
In which field?
So
Which
you,
type of civil service?
IS.
IS.
I think you go from the arts. Why were you
Why
taking
did- yes,
commerce?
Commerce.
Sir, I don't think so that to join civil services it is important to take arts. I'm not that much interested in history and politics subject. I'm more interested in economic subject, and that subject is also included in commerce. And I'm also interested in business.
So what kind of business have you done in future?
Embroidery. It's my father's business. Embroidery.
Give me some brief about it.
Sir, it's a designing in clothes.
Designing in clothes.
Yes, sir.
So you have a local business or import or export business?
No, sir, local.
Local.
What is your strength?
My strength is little things will make me happy.
And weaknesses?
Weakness is little things makes me emotional also.
So how you try to overcome your weakness?
To weakness, I try to. Sorry, ma'am, I don't.
You said that na, little things makes you sad. Then whenever something make you sad, then how will you feel good? How will you make yourself feel good?
I don't feel good myself. My parents support me. Then
Who is your role model?
my role model is my grandfather.
Why?
Because he's so hardworking, he's so patient. He has so patience. He teaches me that willpower is everything.
You go in civil services in future. So you learn history, geography. So you didn't like history, geography. So
Sir, I will work on that after 12th. So it's my father dream that I become.
what's your dream?
What's your
My father dream is my dream.
So you take 11th in arts, na? So you cope up with 2 years in managing histories and geographies. Why you take commerce?
Sir, because I'm interested in business.
So this is your dream, na? कि A business.
Yes, sir.
You are opening your business, and you said your father dream is your dream.
No, sir, it's not my dream, but I'm interested. Little interest.
Little interest.
Yes, sir.
What is one thing you want to improve or change in your life? Is there anything?
Yes, I get emotional very easily.
So, will you try to change this habit?
Yes, I don't think so. I can change it because it's natural.
What are your subjects?
Commerce,
Subjects.
accounts, economics, business.
What is your favorite subject?
Recently, I liked business
Business studies.
Why?
because as usually interested, I'm in
Have you
business
know about the
subject.
financial ratio? In 11th,
Financial?
financial ratio in accounts.
No, sir.
In cash flow statement.
No, sir.
In accounts, you didn't study cash flow.
Journal entries.
Only
I
general
still,
entries.
हाँ.
So what are the debit and creditors?
Debtors, sir, can I answer in Hindi?
Please try in English. Please.
In English.
Little.
Sir, from the person we take something and we are owed to give money that are creditors, and we give to someone and they are owed to pay us that are debtors.
So give me the short form definition about the accounts.
Sir, short form. In simple word, it is a language of business. How to manage business, how to how to analyze it and interpret it.
What are the main goal in accounts in our life?
Main role of accounts.
And what are their advantage in our life?
Advantages of account. It is helpful in management of business.
Management of what?
Yes. How to record
Which
the
type of
transactions.
transactions?
Yeah.
Only
Money
transaction.
transaction.
Only transactions.
You got 90% in 10 class. Right? It means you are intelligent. Right? So, tell me what is Pythagoras mean?
Pythagoras.
Pythagoras.
Hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular plus base.
And whenever you feel low, so how will you motivate yourself?
I pray.
You are from Jabalpur, right? Tell me something about special which makes Jabalpur unique.
Unique. It's heritage, natural beauty, and culture richness. It is also famous for marble rocks and Bhedaghat. Bhedaghat is the most attraction tourist place in Jabalpur, and it's too much greenery in Jabalpur, I feel. And the Narmada River is also the thing that
Which is your favorite place in Jabalpur? You don't like Jabalpur?
I like, but I don't go out
Since how much years you are living in Jabalpur?
from childhood.
From childhood.
Sorry, sir. From the time we are born.
So you have
16
nothing
years.
favorite place in that
No, sir.
area.
My favorite place is my home only.
Okay. And which type of food in Jabalpur?
In
You
Jabalpur,
like most?
I like chole bhature most.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is playing badminton. It is not written in resume, and reading books.
Have you got some certificate in that hobbies?
No, sir.
Which type of books you like to read?
I like my subject books.
Only subject.
Yes, sir. I like it. It improves my reading skills.
It means whenever you are free, so you just read like your subject books.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna leave now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
You have designed your resume.
Yes, sir.
You have designed your resume.
Yes.
Photo is not appropriate for the resume. It must have your face. Portrait.
No, sir. Actually, I didn't send this photo. It is
Was it
sent by my
automatic?
brother. It is
Acha. So you did not make your resume. Your brother. Tell me something about yourself.
I am Sheikh Tawhid. I am from class 10 and I have just passed 9 from 76%. And I am trying to read the law books because I wanted to be a lawyer in my future.
Lawyer. Why lawyer?
Because I have lots of support from my brother's sides, that's why.
Brother side. You are influenced by your family for being lawyer.
No, I am influenced by my brother only.
Brother only. Why don't you have your own dream?
Sir, actually, I have my own dream, but I don't. It is also in that field.
In which field?
Actually, my dream to be a judge,
Acha.
and for being a judge, I also wanted to get a degree of LLB, and I have to need the 6-year experience of an advocate in High Court.
Definitely.
What type of lawyer do you want to be?
I wanted to be a accidental cases.
Related to public transport sector. Why did you choose only accidental case?
Because it has more criticals from the others cases. Like we have needs more clues in that cases. That's why I choose this.
Whom would you support? Your client or justice?
Sorry,
Whom would you support?
I will support justice.
Justice.
Yes.
If you are supporting justice, how will you earn money?
I don't want to be earn money. I wanted to give the justice to the people
To the people.
who are trapped on that cases.
Okay. So people suffer, not company. People will do a case on the company. No? Company will get loss.
Yes, obviously they get lost.
Whom do you want to support? To the people or to the company?
If the people is right, so I will support the people. I will not see the loss of that company. I only see that who is right or who is wrong.
Who is right? What are your skills?
My skills is martial arts and English speaking.
Martial arts. What belt do you have in that?
Sorry,
What belt do you have in martial arts?
what belt? Sorry,
Black belt, blue belt, red belt.
I don't have any belt. I am just learning it
You are just learning from this.
from Anand Nagar,
Amnagar?
Dhani Kutia UI.
Acha, you are learning, you go there daily?
No, in weekends I attend 3-4 classes.
Okay. You must be having white belt.
No,
It's a designation that shows the designation. Designation you are.
It shows the level.
I didn't get that belt.
You didn't get it. Are you having a costume of that
Yes, I have.
White costume.
white costume?
Yes,
You must be having belt, na? For tying your
yes,
in
for
the waist.
tying it. Yes, I use that belt, but I don't know what is that white belt around it.
Is that white
Yes,
matching to the costume color?
yes, it's matching
At
to
the
my
beginning
costume.
level.
I don't know about it because I only want to learn martial arts.
You want to learn, but you want to learn, you should learn the rules as well.
Yes, I also, but I have just spent my 2 3 months for learning it, and I also did not attend the class very well.
Definitely, if you want to go for learning swimming, you will see the height of the pool first.
Yes,
है ना?
yes,
What height is it? Is it 5 or is it 9?
yes,
So definitely go for that. Have the initial knowledge first of doing anything. As you are going for being a lawyer, definitely you are having good initial knowledge. That's okay. And what are you doing in speaking skills?
I am taking practice classes.
You're taking practice classes. What do you do for yourself?
I am give my half an hour for myself, and I try to speaking in front of my family, and I also explain my class friends their questions, so it is also increase myself,
It is also increasing.
improve myself.
Good. And what else do you want to do for the society?
I didn't think about it.
Why?
I do. I actually I wanted to do something, but I didn't choose that. What should I do?
Have you helped anyone?
Yes,
To whom?
I help. I help a street beggar. Once I was coming from somewhere for some work at night, and I see him that he was feeling so cold, and he was sleeping on the streets without any shawl, etc. So I went to my home and gave him my shawl without telling my family because they didn't agree me for that.
Very appreciated. Good. And what else do you want to do in future apart from drawing?
Apart from doing, if I get the chance, so I will try to be a uh, web designer.
Web design. Super. Okay. You may go now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
From your resume. Can you get that outside? बाहर निकाल दो इसको. Miss Nancy,
Yes, sir.
give us a brief introduction about yourself.
My name is Nancy Vishwakarma. I am just 20. I am from Amkheda, Jabalpur. I have done second year. I am in BTech. Third year in Shri Ram Institute of Technology. I am doing study now. I want to be an engineer.
Sorry, what do you want to be?
What, sir?
What do you want to be? क्या बनना चाहते हो?
I want to be an engineer, electronic and communication.
You are having good technical skills as well. C, C++, Python, HTML. We have knowledge about your language. It's mentioned in your resume.
Yes, sir. I have experience C, C++, HTML,
What is the use
Python.
of What is the use of C++?
Sir, C++ is a programming language.
Where do you use?
Sir, what?
कहाँ use करते हैं? Like as C is used in web development, where is C++ used?
C++ used in building. No, C++ is a coding for programming languages.
HTML.
HTML is a web development. It provides to a heading and properties.
What is the full form of HTML?
Hypertext markup language.
And some related language do you know about HTML?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
सर आप थोड़ी तेज बोल रहे हैं.
Only HTML, only use of HTML we can develop web.
No, sir. I used CSS, HTML, JavaScript also used.
Volunteered in student tech fest.
Yes, sir. I am
Why did
volunteering.
you participate?
I am participate in RoboSoccer in volunteer. RoboSoccer volunteer and tech fest.
So did you get any achievement there?
Yes, sir. I achievement in volunteer certificates, and I have my college is organized a workshop for electrics.
Have you ever applied for hackathon?
Hackathon, sir, speaker.
Hackathon. Have you ever applied for that?
No, sir, I have not.
Why?
Sir, because one day and night,
Day and night? You must speak in Hindi as well.
सर वहाँ डे नाइट बहुत टाइम रहना पड़ता है, वहाँ रात में भी रुकना पड़ता है, इसलिए पेरेंट्स अलाउड नहीं.
Okay, that's the problem. So you will complete your graduation in 2026.
Yes, sir.
You have written your CGPA as well.
Yes, sir.
What are your hobbies?
My hobby is reading books.
Reading books. What book have you read?
Study related and branch related.
Branch related. Apart from that,
No.
no, do not read. You have written your soft skills as team management. What team have you managed?
Yes, sir. I am managing my college organize a tech fest in a game, Lion Followers, and I organize the Lion Followers game and team manage.
How can you describe your adaptability? Like how adaptive you are.
My
What do you understand by adaptability?
yes,
क्या समझते हैं adaptability से?
अपने अंदर की काबिलियत.
काबिलियत अपनाना कैसे?
Yes.
Okay. And where do you see yourself in next 5 years?
I see 5 years in in your company, best place in your organization, and your company achievements in my helps.
What salary do you expect? How much salary do you expect?
My salary is expectation for my qualities and qualification and experience.
How much?
How much? 7 lakh package.
7 LPA.
Yes.
So you know that you cannot get 7 LPA in Jabalpur.
Yes, I know. I have no get JVP Jabalpur and 7 lakh package. I have I am from I have go
other countries.
Okay. So tell me a place where would you like to work?
I go Bangalore and Chennai. There is a many electronic countries. They made semiconductors and electrics.
Electronic countries.
No, sir. Bangalore. They made electronics.
What is the another name of Bangalore?
No, sir. No, sir.
Any country where you would like to go for working? Do you like any countries where you want to go for work?
No, sir.
In India only.
Yes.
How will you convince your parents to work outside?
My parents is already allowed to work other countries,
Achha. Countries.
other state.
But still you cannot go to hackathon. You should convince your parents for going to hackathon as well, na?
My my coding is just normal. It's not a high level.
Why don't you learn then? We're in third sem,
No, sir. Fifth sem.
fifth sem. You're in fifth sem, and what are you learning? Have you learned any language in the semester?
Yes, sir. I learn in Python, running Python.
Python is running.
Yes.
Any project you've made?
No, sir. 7 semester I made minor and major project.
In seventh semester
Yes.
you will make. Have you known or do you have any idea for making a project in the particular field?
Yes, sir. My field is make major product of electronics, electronic bias and frequencies, ranges, communication.
Okay. Okay, you may go now.
Thank you.
I'm studying arts. I'm in BA first year college. Mahakosh. Sorry. BA. Yes, Nursery Higher Secondary School. Yes, Nursery Higher Secondary School. My subject is arts. Arts. My difference is I can sing very well from others. I can sing very well from others. My weakness is I forget soon. Soon. I forget soon. We try to overcome my weakness. I would see. I would see any uh, government job position after 5 years. Many types like Nagar Nigam and post office requirement. Government job. Yes. Yes. In academy for competitive exam. Any government job. One thing. My mother. Uh, after late my father, my mother, did you anybody and not do? That's my mother. Is my role model. My subject arts, political science and sociology and history. That's it. My mother. History. History is a history is a very historical subject. That's why. English is Thai. Yes, I know that. I did not know, but all Bangladesh history. I did not know. Sorry. My hobbies, I can sing very well. No. Singing में अरिजीत सिंह and hip hop अरिजीत सिंह. अरिजीत सिंह. No. Millionaire. First of trending on YouTube. That is a Glory album. That's my mom. Sandesh sir. Sandesh sir motivates me uh, every time. Hard working. Nothing but yes. Jabalpur is a very very beautiful place, and it is called that Sastar Dhani Jabalpur. And many places. Many places in Jabalpur for portrait and like Vera Ghat, Gauri Ghat, and Samdariya Mall, anything. My favorite place is Gauri Ghat. Yes, I also think. Yes. Jabalpur old name Javalipuram. 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 Javalipuram name. I know the history of Aadhaar Tal. You know the history of Aadhaar Tal? Rani Durgavati changed the name of Aadhaar Tal and Jabalpur. Javalipuram. Here, 1857. 1857. Something else. Everything my favorite. Everything.